Hey, this is Chuck Reed with Kriete Truck Center, bringing you another truck. Here we've got a 2021 Volvo VNL64T. This is a mid-roof, single bunk, 425 horsepower D13 engine, mated to a 12-speed I-shift transmission. This is a lightweight spec unit with a factory dry weight of 16,700 pounds. This truck's got super singles, disc brakes all the way around, and a steer air ride axle. If you have any questions about this truck or any others like it, talk to Chuck, 920-539-8134. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.